Managing project hours shouldn't slow you down. With Saral HRM, you can plan, track, and validate employee time with unmatched accuracy and speed. Let's see how effortless project time tracking can be. Create consistent project time tracking rules in minutes. Saral HRM allows you to set up timesheet policies for specific project groups, ensuring structured and uniform time reporting across teams. Define task duration requirements the way your project demands, whether daily or weekly. Configure work hours in just a few clicks for smoother, more predictable tracking. Improve flexibility with policy based controls. Saral HRM lets employees submit timesheets for past dates or upcoming project schedules, while your rules ensure compliance and clarity. Capture complete work details effortlessly. Employees can add comments, notes, and file attachments, creating transparent, verifiable timesheet entries for every task. For project driven teams, work doesn't always follow a fixed calendar. Saral HRM enables seamless time logging even on holidays and weekly off, supporting dynamic project schedules. Gain complete clarity on project effort. Track task wise and resource wise hours in real time, helping you allocate resources better and plan upcoming workloads accurately. Ensure every submission is valid and reliable. Saral HRM structured approval workflows help managers review, validate, and approve timesheets quickly, reducing errors and delays. Get meaningful insights at a glance. Saral HRM gives you instant visibility into employee work patterns, enabling better monitoring, improved productivity, and informed decision making. Make project time tracking smarter, faster, and more efficient with Saral HRM. Empower your teams, enhance project planning, and bring complete accuracy to every timesheet. Start now and simplify time management like never before.